Hello everyone, welcome back to my Python programming series. My name is Raj Chauhan and today we are continuing the unit 1. In the previous lecture, we are discussed about comments, keywords, identifiers and some others topic. And today lecture we are discuss about uh, expression. What is expression? An expression is a combination of values, variables, operators, and function code. Let's take the example in the VS Code. If we have x equal to 10 and y equal to 20 and print x plus y, it's 30 because we perform the specific task to add the value of x plus y. Expression is all about the add the value, multiply the value, modular, something like that. Example 1 5 plus 3 output 8. Here 5 plus 3 are operands and is operator and 5 and 3 are operands. Let's continue further. There is a logical expression like true and false something. Let's discuss about statement. Statements is a instruction given to the Python. Python execute statement one by one. Let's take some example. If we have print hello world, this is the statement in the Python, that is hello world. In the first line, I write the statement in the Python to print the hello world. Let's take some other examples. Uh, Variable statements like name equal to Raj is the variable statement. See, it is the variable statement. Print name is the variable statement to store the values. We before previous lecture we understand the concept of identifiers. Name equal to name is identifier to identify the value of Raj, and it is also a variable that stores the data. Let's discuss about further condition statements. We have loop statements, function statements. Let's discuss about expression vs statement. Expression produce value and statement perform the actions. Let's move further. Indentation. What is indentation? Indentation means spaces at the beginning of a line. Python use indentation to define blocks of code. Like unlike C++ and Java, and Python does not use curly braces. What is indentation? Let's explain the indentation. If we have age equal to 19, if age is greater than equal to 18 and print adult, then else print child. That is the indentation error because I am not writing the indentation. After the if statement, we use indentation. See, now the now the code is executed in the terminal adult. That is, you use indentation after if statement. This is indentation. Indentation. Why indentation is important? Indentation tells Python which statements belongs together and here blocks start, where blocks end. Let's move further. Data types. In Python, every value belongs to a particular data type. Data types tells Python which kind of data is being stored. Data types are int, float, decimal, complex, and so on. Let's take some example in the VS Code. If let's delete this. If we write here num1 equal to integer data type, input, enter the integer value, then after num2 equal to int input, enter the integer value, then c equal to num1 plus num2 and print the sum of num1 and num2. Let's perform this task and see what is the answer. It is asking me enter the integer value. Let's enter 10. Then after 20. It's perform the task. Let's check again. If we write here h in the terminal h, then after this wrong because I use integer data types. If we write here float, so we use only floating value, not integer value. See, we write here float value 12.0. It's allow me. Control S. Then after run the code. Enter the value 12.0. Then after 13.0. It's run because I use float decimal value. If we write here F and C round off the value, then we use this function to round off this value. This is the easy method to round off the value. Let's take enter the float value 12.0 something and 15.0, then it's round off the value of two decimal places. Then continue further. We discuss about integer data types, float data types, complex data types. We use here complex for complex data type like this. Only like in the integer data type we write here int, and in float data type we write here float, and in complex data type we write here complex. Let's check the data types in the Python. If we write here, if we write here print type num1, then write print type num2, then see what is the type of num1 and num2. Let's take the type. We write here 12, then after 14, then is 20.6. Let's save this code, then after run. We write here 12, we write here 12.0, then 15.0. That is data types is complex because we use here complex. If we write here float and here float, control S, then after write here 12 in the terminal, write here 12.0, then 14.0, then it's float data type because we use here float. In the string we don't need any data type, but we prefer str for string. here str, then after run the code, control s, then after run the code, then write here hi, then hello, then it is str because we here we write the string data types. Let's move further. The part 2. String in Python. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in Qt like this. If we write here num1 equal to Raj, then print the data of uh, type of num1, then see the output. It is str because we here write the double quote inside the Raj. So it is the data types of string. If we write here 10, that is and control us, then it is integer data type, and then it is complex float data types.